This is my very first jigsaw machine. I have already opened it. I'm taking it out of the box. So here I have it, and I have already put or fixed the saw into it. Let's see. I have never used a jigsaw. I have always been using hand saws. I can see that the teeth of this saw are a little bigger. It might give a very rough cut to what I am going to cut. I am going to try it on this. It's a long piece of wood that I had and planning to make something out of it. So I have already drawn a line here where I need to cut it, and let's see how does this go. So I have connected to the socket and I'm ready to go. I already know that I have to press this wood very hard and hold it very tight. So I'm going to start now. Oh wow, I love it. Honestly, I love it because it's not that hard that I thought it will be. It's doing well. In the beginning, I didn't even know to put it down completely. I was holding it almost in the air, and now that I have put it just like a sewing machine, it's working just like a sewing machine. Sorry for the sound that it's making. So I'll stop it here and come back. So I thought I'll let everybody see the last bit of it. There you go. That's it. Done. It's my first jigsaw cut. Oh my god, I'm so glad. I'm so happy. I'm going to do so many of my DIY projects with it. I love it. I liked it. I'm not promoting it by any means at all, but it's a good machine. I simply got it online here from theraz.com in Pakistan, and it has proven to be a good machine. I'm so sorry. Again, my video making is, oh my god, I have to hold it like this. My video making is not so good. I might make another proper video where I might be able to show it properly. So that's it. Wish me luck.